Okay, Tito. So may segment kami dito which is the Kapeligro question. So, Kapeligro ang mga tawag natin sa mga listeners, viewers.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Bawal silang makinig kung hindi sila nagpipeligro
So,
sa
kailangan
buhay.
dito may mga peligro in life. So, ito, ang first question natin, nasasagutin mo ay from Francisco_06. Hi, Chaka and mga kapeligro. Hello din po sa Lodi kong si Tito Mikey. Dati po ako naglalaro sa school namin as varsity. Pero sa isang laro po sa City Meet, na-injure po ako. And after nun, hindi ko na naibalik yung game ko. Honestly, tanggap ko na hindi na ata basketball ang career na para sa akin. Pero sobrang takot ko pong mag-try ng ibang career. Lalo pat basketball lang ang nakita ko ever since as future ko. Question, any advice po to help me set my mind right? Could I be successful din po ba sa next career na mapipili ko?
Parang past self ko yung kausap ko.
Tamang-tama. Kay Tito Mikey.
Parang past self ko yung kausap ko. Hindi, I know the feeling of doing something your whole life. Na parang feeling mo nakaset ka na. Yun ang magiging PBA player ako pagkatas ng ano. Especially during my time, mga millennial or mga 90s or 2000s, parang merong alam mo yung mga Mamba mentality, yung mga walang plan B. Hindi, ito lang ang gagawin ko, ito lang ang gagawin ko. Pag may plan B ka, hindi ka naniniwala sa plan A mo. Parang gano'n, di ba? Like, kung ano gusto mo maging, yun ang magiging ano ka. So, I know how it feels like na maging in that mind frame. Pero if it doesn't work out that way, wala kang magagawa about it, and all you can do is really just try other things. Marirealize mo kung gaano ka-complex yung personality mo pag nakalabas ka doon. Kasi syempre, pag basketball lang alam mo or any career naman, pag yun lang alam mo, magugulat ka na, mahilig din pala akong magsalita. Mahilig din pala akong mag-edit. Mahilig din pala akong magkwento. You will find other fulfillment or other things only if you try. And sometimes, ang pinakamaganda pang nangyari is hindi nag-workout yung unang karir mo.
Unang plan mo.
Oo, kasi ang mahirap pa nun kung kunyari hindi siya na-injure. Ako kasi na-injure din ako eh. So, parang talagang tinapos yung karir ko. Versus yung magde-decide ka on your own na, okay, move on na ako. So, dahil na-injure siya, he can take that as a blessing pa na parang okay, talagang pinipivot na ako. Maybe there's something more for me. So talagang susubok ka talaga ng ibang bagay. Get to know yourself better. I believe 20s is the time, unless you find success early. Marami namang ganun. Pero if you haven't found anything in your 20s, wag kang mag-alala, because your 20s for me, at least yung sa 20s ko, it was the time for me to discover myself. Okay, ito. Okay, ito pala yung gusto ko. Ayoko pala nito. Not just yung gusto mo pero yung ayaw mo din. Try din ako mag-corporate. This is not for me. Okay, sige.
Discovering yourself.
Diba? That's why a lot of people ask me, nape-pressure sila at 23, 24, 25. I mean, I'm not discrediting yung nape-pressure kayo. Pero, you have to step back, get to know yourself better. Tingnan mo kung ano yung bagay sa'yo, ano hindi bagay sa'yo sa personality mo. And then, tingnan mo kung ano. Pero definitely magiging successful ka as long as you work on something. As long as you work on something, magiging successful ka dun.
Ganda.
At saka, ang ganda nun. I love it. Huwag kang masyadong ma-stress. Just una sa lahat, 20s pa lang siya. Tapos may nabasa pa akong quote sa threads ang nakalagay, don't be stressed about being late in life if it's your life.
Yeah.
Paano ka magiging late? Buhay mo yan.
Sino
You have
nag-set
your
nung
own timeline. Totoo.
compare kasi.
Nung scheduling.
Comparison is the thief of happiness.
Pero
Dami mong baon ngayon po.
Nagdumaan ako sa school, ang dami ng baon. Ang dami ng
Sa mga room
Dapat
yan,
ko, linis ko.
Yung mga ka kasi bawal tumawid dito.
Marami na namatay. At dahil dyan, meron pa tayong another question from at Tyler Daryl. Hi, Chaka and Kapeligros. Graduate po ako ng business at gusto ko talagang pumasok sa corporate. May mga dream companies din po. Pero ilang beses na po ako nag-apply at sunod-sunod din yung rejections. Nakaka-frustrate po kasi feeling ko ito na yung path na gusto ko pero parang hindi ako napipili. Kayo po, nung time na nagsisimula kayo ulit at hindi pa clear yung direction nyo, paano nyo hinandle yung rejections? At paano nyo nalaman kung ipaglalaban nyo ba yung path or kailangan nyo nang mag-try ng iba?
Redirection.
Well, kung gusto mo pa, try mo pa. Kung talagang gusto mo, try mo pa. Because you never know, 10 rejections, baka yung pang 11 na pala yung makakalusot ka pero nag-stop ka mag-try. Kung gusto mo pa talaga. Unlike, kunyari, nung basketball player ako, ayoko na. So when I decided na ayoko na mag-basketball, that's when I transitioned to something else. Pero hanggat gusto mo pa, parang ang hirap din bitawan kung yun talaga yung gusto mo 'di ba? So I would say that if you still want to try, then go ahead and try. Huwag kang mag-guilty for trying 10 times, 11 times, 15 times, 20 times. Kasi hindi mo rin alam kailan ka makakalusot So the moment na ayaw mo na, or there are opportunities outside na hinihindian mo, yun yung medyo, okay, wait, may opportunity sa iba, baka pwedeng itry din naman natin to. Pero hanggat kaya, hanggat gusto mo pa, why not, diba? You don't wanna live the rest of your life asking yourself, what if I tried one more time? Or what if I tried two more times?
I-exhaust mo ng todo.
Oo, yun nga, ubusin mo talaga. Ubusin mo hanggat wala na. Like, yung basketball career ko, inubos ko yun. Hindi na ako nagre-regret na, dapat pala naglaro pa ako. Hanggang ngayon, even if people ask me, Tito Mikey, ba't di ka pa nag-try sa ganito? Or ba't ngayon, ba't di ka na naglalaro sa ganito? Ayoko na. Inubos. So, I
Wala
think,
nang what if
wala
na
nang what if.
matitira.
So, if I were you, ubusin mo siya. If nandun ka pa sa, gusto ko pa pero should I try? Oh, definitely you still should because gusto mo pa So,
Totoo.
Ganda.
Kumbaga parang wala siya sa dami ng na-try mong rejections about kung kaya mo pa.
Okay, so try now, change later. Okay. So, next. Sorry, sinamarize ko lang.
Change
Mali
later.
ba? So, last question from Roberta Cruz. Hi, Tito Mikey. 7 years na po kami ng girlfriend ko and turning 30 na ako this year. Gusto ko na rin naman magpakasal at madalas na rin siyang nagpaparinig tungkol dito. Pero di pa ako financially ready, lalo na't kakagraduate lang din ng kapatid ko na pinapaaral ko. Paano ko po haharapin yung pressure to settle down at paano ko po siya kakausapin tungkol dito ng maayos?
It's being honest with her. It's being honest with the life that you have right now. It doesn't mean naman na pag struggling ka ngayon, struggling ka na forever, di ba? So I think it's really just telling her or being honest with her. If marriage is the goal, then you can make things work. Diba? Ako hindi ako naniniwala sa financially ready. I think ready is a mindset. It's a decision. It's not a status. There is no amount of money that can be in your bank account for you to say, I'm ready. Yun yung paniniwala ko. There are people who had less who were ready. There are people who had more who weren't ready. Diba? So parang I don't think financially ready is something that you have to worry about. Of course, obviously, diba, realistically.
It
Pero
has to.
when you get married naman, isn't that the start? Technically. Diba? Yun yung start ng married life niyo. So that's when you start to work together already. Diba? So I've had couple of people who said na parang hindi finances ang unang poproblemahin nyo Ang unang problemahin nyo is, mahal nyo ba ang isa't isa?
Stop!
Okay, hindi relationship ka nakaka-relate lang dito.
Doon lang ako nagre-react, no?
Parang doon sa mga kaperahan,
Alam
poker
nyo,
face ka.
Stop! Poker face ka!
Poker face ka Pero pag may relationship, parang tumatagos
Mas doon, mas nakakaloka.
Mas nakaka-relate siya sa relationship.
So yun, feeling ko lang if you're ready to settle down, then you're ready to settle down. Everything will work itself out.
Kumbaga parang nasa mentality mo.
Oh, and also you have to be honest with each other. Eh kami ni Sike, honest naman kami sa isa't isa Financially, sige, baka capable naman ng kami ngayon, pero honest kami sa isa't isa. Are we trying to tie the knot already or wala namang again, timing is nasa sa inyo naman yun, di ba? Wala namang, kailangan this year, mag 36 na ako this year, kailangan. Hindi, di ba? And also people keep saying, Tito Mikey, tumatanda ka na, di ka pa nagpapakasal. Bakit yung age ko yung... Hindi, pero bakit yung age ko yung in question? Yung age ng girlfriend ko, you have to also consider that. Di ba? Kung hindi pa siya ready mag-settle down, hindi ko rin tinitake yun against her na parang, so hindi ako yung parang... Di ba? So parang, everything is to each his own.
Of course.
Diba? To each his own. Pero yung financially ready lang, for me, it's a decision.
Yung mga nagtatanong dyan na, ganyang edad mo, ba't hindi ka pa nagpapakasal? Ba't ganyang edad mo? Dapat dyan patay na Sorry. Sorry. Yung tita ko ganyang edad, patay na siya. Bakit hindi ka pa sumunod? Mamatay ka na. Grabe, nakakaloka.
Balik yung tanong.
Anyway, those are, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Tito
Thank you very
Mikey. Ang
much.
bongga
Thank
ng
you.
mga
Thank you sa
sagutan.
questions.
Very strong talaga yung opinions ni
Oo.
Tito Mikey,
And
no?
may context.
Opinion lang naman.
Kailangan hindi mo siya i-take ng, ito lang sinabi niya, tapos ikaw na bahala mag-interpret nun. May context na sinasabi. So, doon nag-a-apply yun.
Uy, huwag kang magpakapetsa de pedigo sa content. Kung bitin ka sa kwentuhan, punta na sa YouTube, Spotify, at Apple Podcast para mapakinggan ang buong episodes ng Petsa de Peligro, brought to us by Union Digital Bank. Kompleto yan. May funny highlights, seryosang tips, at mga discarding pwedeng makatulong sa'yo before sweldo day. Kaya mong maging mas wise. Check out Petsa de Peligro Podcast sa lahat ng social media platforms. Pati na rin ang Union Digital Bank on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for more tawanan and discarded stories. At syempre, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe bago maubos ang mobile data mo.